Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing so well and that you had a happy Thanksgiving. Today is the Monday after Thanksgiving and we are just so thankful for you guys for always supporting and watching us. I read something the other day from Proven Winners, which was funny. I think it said, happy people aren't thankful. Thankful people are happy, and it's so true. So much joy just wells up when you're just thankful, even for the littlest to the biggest things. So I was thinking through and just had so much joy and so much thanks for our family. Just love our family so much, and this place that the Lord has given us. When you feel like there's no way and God makes a way. So just a reminder that to keep those dreams in your heart and those hopes when there's something that you're praying on and that you hope and you want for, that God makes a way when there isn't a way. So we're just so thankful for our house, this land, our chickens. Luca was so sweet the other day. He was helping me with them and he was just standing there watching them. He goes, Mama, I'm so glad we got chickens. Just melted my heart how the sincerity of how genuinely he was enjoying them and how thankful he was for them. Just made it worth it, because we were deciding, should we wait to get chickens, should we do it, and we thought we'll just do it for him, and that just made it so worth it. We're so thankful for our office, our chiropractic office, and our patients that I just get to serve and adjust every day. Is so fun. And if I didn't say it again, we're so thankful for you guys and your support and just everything you guys do for us. It means the world to us. So thank you. So we hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. Today we are going to do some much needed fall and winter cleanup. The garden has had areas of dead for a long time, for weeks, because we got an early hard frost here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're zone 8, and that is, I don't know, to my knowledge, a little early for us. So I have a lot of stuff that I need to clean up, just a lot of leaves to clean up, then garden beds. I need to take care of the chickens, so we got a lot to do. I got a little bit of time before we go in to adjust patients. So we're gonna see what we can get all done. Hello, chickens. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Hello, girls. Hello. Hello, girls. Hi, girls. Hi, Snowball. Hey, sweetie. You guys don't need much food. I'm just gonna chop it off here. Hi, sweet girls. Got plenty of food, that's good. So we last week went away for the very first time for Thanksgiving. I was really nervous to do it, but thankfully my parents watched the chickens, so they were more than fine. But it's like your family, like your babies, so it's hard to leave them for the first time. But they did amazing. But I wanted to show you guys, we normally have, I have to clean these out, but we normally have these. And I was in Tractor Supply and I was gonna get 2 more of them, but they were all out. So I was gonna get, they had the bigger size, I think it was 7, no, what was it, 3 gallons of, it was just the bigger one. But we couldn't get the lid on. I had the lady in the store helping me and I thought, I don't want to get it home and not be able to get the lid on it. So I was looking at, let me turn the camera on, this big one. This is a 5-gallon and this is $50. So I was like, I don't know, I want to spend that. But a lady actually came by and she said that she has, we have 19 chickens. She said she has 38. She was so sweet. She said they have this, excuse me lady, don't peck at me, that they have this one and they love it. So I asked Sebastian, I was trying to FaceTime him. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Hey. And he said it's more than worth it to spend the money. Sorry, you guys, you got a little bit of a crowd that want to meet you. Can you say hello? Are you guys being friendly? You're saying hello. You're so loud. But Sebastian thought it's more than worth it to spend the money because the assurance if we're gone, they just have a ton of water. So that's more than worth it for me, but I have to change it so much less compared to the other ones. It even stays cleaner because it's got a bigger basin. We're gonna move to a bigger feeder soon too, so that, because they make nice big ones that you don't have to change the water and the food so often. Okay, I'm getting a little attacked here, so we're gonna move on. someone wanted to say hi. This is one of our sweetest little buff Orpingtons. You're so sweet. You want to go forage, don't you? There's some fresh water. So I just tipped this one out. Still got a fourth full, and I filled it up last Wednesday. So probably get a week out of it. So that's amazing. That really, really helps. Hi. I've been letting Owlie out and forage a little bit lately. Your first few times, isn't it? Hi, Owlie. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Egg time. Thank you, ladies, for your eggs. So as you can see, we got 7 eggs so far. It's early afternoon, and that's about half what we get. We get about 8 to 15 per day, just depending on the day. So we probably will get more later on in the day. You can see they're all out here having fun and raking and foraging. I wanted to pick up some of the leaves to put in their run because it rained, like torrential rains a couple days ago, and it's a little muddy and we don't want it to stay wet, so I was just gonna get some leaves for them. They love these. They dig through it and play all day. Isn't that right, ladies? Isn't that right? I'm so thankful we have this big oak tree above us that drops all these leaves, tons of them. Hello, ladies. Mama's coming in. So right here, it's all a little wet from it raining in. You guys spread that around for me, okay? Get in there. I just have to make sure they're scattering all the leaves that they don't get stuck in the water. There you go, girl. Well, I think their day's made. They break this stuff down and make like the best pulverized leaves and compost. It's amazing. But I'm gonna go grab them some lettuce real quick. You guys can see I'm so happy. I gotta get more in here, but that's a good start. I wanted to show you guys really quick our lettuce bed. I planted half Encore lettuce and half All-Star lettuce, both from Johnny's seeds, but this is really interesting, guys. I started pulling it out because this is doing absolutely amazing, and this is like starting to flop and rot. It all kind of did this, and it was experienced to the same cold, same amount of moisture. We did get a lot of rain, but this just wasn't fun. So I pulled it all out, and I'm gonna seed, kind of like that, seed this half with the the All-Star lettuce. But look at how much more beautiful this is and different. That's crazy. So I'm pulling these out and giving them to the chickens. Time to give it to the ladies. They're gonna love this. They've actually had the last couple days, and it keeps them busy all day. They just crave their greens every day. Here you go, ladies. Enjoy. Enjoy. Yum, isn't that good? Now we gotta get your friends back in so I can do some cleanup. Gotta get your friends back in. Yay. Come here, Owlie. Come here, Owlie. Come here. Good job, Owlie. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Okay, girls, it's gonna be loud, okay? Don't get scared. So I just wanted to show you real quick, this is the bed we made just recently. I don't think we even got to show you it finished, but Sebastian used these scrap ends from our timbers from our fence, and they're so cute. I love them. They just look like they need a little woodland creature, but some of it's still alive, some of it's dead. So I just wanted to clean all the leaves out so that I could pull out the dead stuff and just kind of refresh it. I thought, well, maybe I should leave the leaves in, you can see my shadow, as a blanket, but I thought I'll just clean it out and they're not broken up, so that way we can make it all fresh. I had a feeling it would scare the chickies. It was. They were hiding under there, but they're good now. I wanted to, this is thyme that we planted. I wanted to cut some of this because it's beautiful and it's long. It's like the leaves stick in it like hair. I wanted to cut some and dry it, and then I wanted to give some to the chickies because they love it too. They're beautiful. So fresh. Such fresh growth. I have some more over here that I have to cut, but I'm going to start with this. Hey girls! Hey girls! See if I can get this through the wires so I don't have to open. Huh. That'd be like a fun activity all day. See if they can get that out. There we go. Bombs away. There we go. Okay, girls. I'll let you peck at that today. Didn't fall down, but I think they'll enjoy pecking at it. Love you, girls. Have a good day. Have a good day, girls. I love you. So I'm just gonna tie these up in little bundles and then hang them up and let them dry. And then we can use them as our herbs. It's best to put them in indirect sunlight so that it doesn't take out all the good properties of the thyme and the herb. Oh, smells so good. It smells like turkey dinner. Love it. That's so fun. Okay, so I have to finish this, just grooming it, cleaning it up, getting the dead plants out, but I have to get going pretty soon, so I am just gonna real quick leaf blow the tropical area that got like deserted island, like it just looks a mess. So I just want to clean that up real quick, and then we will have to continue this later. Alright guys, I have to go ahead and head out, but at least we got a ton of the leaves cleaned up here and the majority here. So obviously I have to finish up, pull out the dead plants and get the rest of the leaves. I just wanted to start, so at least I have them mostly here. They actually blew really well and not much of the sand blew, which I was really glad. Just a teeny bit of sand, so thankfully the sand didn't blow up. But right here, there's the big clump of leaves, so I can just scoop all these up and I'll probably give more to the chickens. So excited to get all this area cleaned up a little more and make it beautiful again. I put the chairs down because the winds were really high, so I want to get those set out again. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me today. It actually turned into more of a chicken day, but we still got some done and started. That's the biggest thing, is just getting stuff started. So thank you so much for joining me, and we will continue a lot of this in the next few days. So thank you, bye.